Okay guys, today we're gonna make our dinner. And our dinner is pork steak. I already jacquarded this. Jacquard is a chef who has invented something on how to process meat, how to pierce some holes in your pork so that the flavors will instantly go inside, so you don't have to wait for it to marinate. At the same time, it's gonna cook evenly, no, in with your pork. But a messy kitchen is a good one rather than a very neat kitchen without having to use it. My wife is not at home, so when I'm at home and I'm doing the dishes, I am in charge of the kitchen because I am a cheap cook. For this, guys, we need oil. Just a little bit of oil. I think this pan is so small. We use a bigger pan, this one. And we're gonna give it a little whisk of a little oil. Spread the oil into the pan. Spread the oil into the pan. Just painting the pan with oil. Okay. So I did not marinate the pork, guys, because I jacquarded it. While the marinade is in on the pork, I slowly put holes into the pork so that it will properly absorb into the inside the pork's inner core. We have to pan fry each side for about a minute so that it will just like cook, and then we're gonna create the steak sauce, and then we're gonna put the pre-cooked meat into that sauce, no? Are you ready, guys? Are you ready? See the sizzle? Oh no, my son is here. Just a minute. Just a minute. 1 minute only, guys. So that's it, guys, no? It's already 1 minute. Ah, you have to gipakuratan na siya, guys. Gipakuratan ra, no? Oh, gipakuratan na ang meat. And then put some oil. Then cook it. Na ako ang anak dire. Na. So balhin na to, guys, og gamay-gamay or mas kuan nga heat. Mas gamay-gamay nga heat. See, the pork steak, it's so easy. Sus. Dali ara. When you punch holes to this meat, it's going to be tender already. That's the advantage of jacquarding. So let's add some sugar lang gamay. And then you mix it all together. And that's a pork steak finish. If this is the same taste, no? Yeah. Let's add Nestle cream. If you add Nestle cream to the pork steak, what do you think will happen? It's gonna be perfection. It's gonna be perfect. So naa siya magic sarap nga free, guys. Di man ta maggamit ani gud. Kasab-an ta ni kung magamit aning magic syrup sa tumbusing. You just mix it together. Fighter na. And outside, this will cost you one serving like this. Cost you 200 plus already. Pork steak with Nestle cream. If you just want to experiment, then you would be a great cook someday. You have to know how to clean your stuff. Because if you are a cook and you don't know how to clean your utensils and you let somebody clean it for you, meaning it's incomplete. The job is incomplete, guys. So you have to really know how to also wash what you have used. Ayay, wakoy rice, Blake. Sayang nga. Lami na unta kay mong kaon ron. Let's cook rice. The fastest way, I know. How's Calvin over there? We don't have rice. I forgot to cook rice. Look at the pork steak. So I let it simmer for a little bit. And the smell is really good. The smell of the onion and the garlic, and with all the ingredients there, makes it really good. There. Then let's cook rice. Kaya nalimtan ang rice, guys. Ang pinaka-importante is tanan. Ang rice. Mauli na to ato ang breadwinner. Lang. Because I'm just a rice winner. She is the breadwinner. I'm the rice winner. And then I'll show you how to create rice at a very fast rate. No? You cook rice. You kill the rice. So you have to clean your rice. No? That's how you just easily clean your rice with the help of a net. You have to clean your rice for 2 times so that it will be very white. Very easy. Let's get some water. This is 2 cups, by the way, so I have to put in 3 cups of water. This is clean water. Again, water. Okay, that's 3, right? Okay, let's put the rice inside the hot pot. And then let's cook it. It's already cooking, the rice. Let's transfer this into a bowl. This steak. Perfection. So it's done and it's cooked. Let's cover it. Put it on the table. Mag-slide ka. Ayaw. Kuyawa. Ayaw lagi. So the rice is cooked. And it's ready. We're gonna get pork steak. Let's try. It's so tender, guys. Calvin, let's eat. Eat. Cha-cha. So let's try. Let's try it first, guys, no, so that we will know if our child would want to eat this. I think he's gonna finish everything. Testing. Wow, cha-cha. So just to let you know, guys, I want to I want to document everything that happens in the house so that I can show my son Blake and Calvin how I did it when they are still young. It's a sort of remembrance for them and for also for me, knowing that I took care of them both while their mom is working. Doing this makes me feel joy and giving me good a good feeling of fulfilling something every day, little by little. Here at home, you don't get any salary or compensation, but you see what's around you, and you see that if it's neat, if it looks good, you've done a great job, and you could immediately tell yourself, "Wow, you've done a good job." Or just taking care of your kids, you can immediately say, "Oh, you've done a great job because they are properly fed, well taken care of." Then that's good. Cha cha, Chicago. Ow, 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 ow. Kau, kau. Tao po. Tao po. Mas-slide ka? Oh, mas-slide lagi ka. So, mga siya guys. It's a very fulfilling job to watch over your child. Lami kay guys. In, mm, Ambot na lang. Jacquard. So tender. You should try putting Nestle cream. You can thank me later. Oh my gosh.